BurstWay Garage Door Installation Manalapan NJ will be here to assist you with any garage door needs. We do replacements, installations, parts repair, maintenance, and much more. You want one to realize that only professionals should do garage door related work. There are plenty of things which can go wrong when concentrating on a garage door, so you should be careful. This is the reason you're gonna wish to employ someone that knows everything they are going to do. You don't intend to make the problem worse than it already is. If you make the issue worse, then it's planning to cost more cash in the long term to obtain it taken care of. Let BurstWay Garage Door Installation Manalapan NJ do the work. This happens to be the expertise of the business.